Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what are the messages for you in this month of June. So Scorpios, you are ready for a new beginning. Maybe you've already started, but there is definitely something which is holding you back. Okay, you are too focused on the past, something is holding you back. You are not able to focus on what you are actually wanting to start. Okay, you need to trust your intuition. You need to realize that whatever it is, no matter what people think, you have to be intuitive. You have to listen to your inner voice. You have to understand what you actually want. Be true to yourself. Okay, do not keep on focusing on the past. If this is the new beginning which you have made or you are ready to make, okay, so you have to be in touch with your intuition. You have to actually understand what you actually want, what is your realization, what you want in life, what gives you happiness. And once you are able to realize that, only then you will be able to manifest it, and that is what you are doing. So whatever is holding you back, just release that. Listen to what your intuition is guiding you, because whatever this is, it is important for you. You are very emotional about it, and you are just wanting, you really want this to happen, and it is something stable and long term. So whatever this happiness is for you with the 10 of cups, once you are able to realize, once you are able to understand that this is what you actually want, you will be able to manifest this 10 of cups. It is a relationship which is long term, it is committed, it is bringing you a lot of happiness. Okay, and with the 7 of wands, what I feel here is that this is which you, what this is a relationship which you feel is going, it's giving you a lot of peace. Okay, so you are ready to, so slowly and steadily, once you are able to leave this 4 of cups energy, once you are able to focus on what you actually want, once you are able to do this self realization that this is what I want, and there is no way out it, I'm not going to give up on it, only then you will be able to ground yourself and defend yourself from if anybody is there who is trying to mess up with this relationship. So it's something like that. So you have to guard this happiness, you are, and that is what you will be doing. You want this relationship which according to you is your wish fulfillment, it is your happiness, it is your stability. So there has to be a realization that what you are doing is right, what you are pursuing is right. Okay, and once that confidence comes, then you will be able to understand and maintain peace with what it is. There is no point in lamenting and being upset about what has happened right till now. Okay, you need to understand that what you can do now in future is important, and that is this relationship for you which is giving you a lot of happiness. Okay, and with the 7 of wands, I see you being defensive. You want your peace, you want to restore your peace, you really don't want anybody to mess up with this happiness of yours, this long term commitment and stability of yours. And once you are able to do that, just see the line of these happy cards. We have the 9 of cups, the sun. So all the dreams come true, wishes come true, you are overjoyed, you're feeling very happy. And here with the world card, just see, we have so many major cards here. With the word, you are definitely entering a new life, you are manifesting big things here with the magician and the empress, with the 6 of cups ending here. So maybe it is, and the judgment being there, maybe you want to reconcile with somebody from the past. Okay, maybe that person is your 10 of cups, maybe that person is giving you that happiness and stability which you want, and that is why you are ready to take another chance on this relationship. It can be that also, but whatever it is for you, you just, the entire thing is, we have your wish come true, we have that you are able to manifest this new beginning for you. Everything is going to be right, you will be getting all your dreams fulfilled only when you are true to yourself. You have to listen to your inner voice, you have to make this decision over here with the judgment that what I want is right, what I am pursuing is right, whatever this is means for you is for you. Okay, this is meant for you. So this is, you don't have to be confused about it, you don't have to wait for what people have to say, you don't have to be judged by people if that is what it is, that people are judging you, and that is what is sort of stopping you from this relationship. You just have to be clear in your mind that you want this, this is your source of happiness. And once you are able to release what other people are saying, what this n number of things which are going around perhaps with this relationship, only then you will be able to restore peace with yourself, and only then you will be able to manifest this powerful new beginning in your life. 9 of cups, we have wish fulfillment, we have the sun which is making you ultimately happy with the world, definitely entering into a new chapter of your life, walking into the brand new life of yours, which is giving you loads of happiness. Just see the manifestation and the Empress. So everything is just falling in line once you are true to what you want. Actually, that is what it is. And with the Six of Cups, just be at peace with whatever decisions you have taken. If you've been done something wrong, there has been some wrong decisions, just leave it, start afresh. And maybe you are actually wanting to reconcile with somebody from the past, but even if that is what you are trying want to do, that is also, if you feel that is right, go for it. So it is all about self realization. Once you are able to understand that what you want is right for you, you will be able to manifest it. Message from this deck. With the Five of Spades, maybe you are facing some sort of an opposition over here, because with the Seven of Wands, definitely you are defending your ground. There is definitely some sort of a struggle. Maybe you are facing some struggle in this relationship. There is a struggle, but perhaps if you are able to understand that what you are doing is right, then you will be able to manifest it. Guidance from the angels. Go within. Number 2 may be of some significance for you. You are a very intuitive person, and there are many wonderful insights that lie waiting inside you. Take time to be quiet and reflect upon the desires of your heart through meditation or prayer. There is no need to take action right now. Be patient with yourself. So Scorpios, you are definitely manifesting something brand new and which is very, very great, and it's a major shift, I can say, in your life is going to come once you are able to realize that what you are choosing for yourself is right for you. That's all I have for you. Hope it helps. Bye.